Floodgate logic is a device electronic with a function Booleana, or circuit of commutation integrated in a chip. First is to have an expression Booleana, what will be. Then we will get a circuit and table of true. How we put it on the protoboard, we will be start placing the floodgate identified previously. What is the best way to place them to avoid crossing of cable? In this example, I decided place the floodgate investor first. Sign only the I will use for Daniela. This tell I will only use it. Attempt letter position the or and final letter and. The floodgate are placed in the center sign the pins. They are in parts and in the protoboard, as we already know, the connection is above the lines vertically. If we put in other side, that is no center of protoboard, well, it will not work. Why evident going to do connection that you should not. We going to have two pins that they will be in same line vertical, and that is not correct. The next phase is to get you so much current and as ground to the floodgate, and for we need a series of cable cut in different sizes, and we already know that in the data sheet. The current is found in the pins number 14 in this free floodgate, and we connect line red, that is the line positive of the protoboard. I mean what for her we will give current the circuit. Line red positive for the current, and we will also give him his ground in each of the floodgate that find the pin number 7. Negative for the ground, and so the circuit will stay with his ground and his current. After all of this, I will do an explication important what is about an error, what we do much and we think that our circuit it does not work, and only what we need is a connection extra. So what we do is pass a cable from the line positive that goes from one end to the other, and I also did we make with the terminal negative, and this is made with the objective of what bond line of the protoboard. What we know what are they independent of the red's connection are fed both ground as of BCC. Once having and the floodgates connected first we will place your entrance identified, not to be confused. Then we will proceed with the calving. For this we will help with we expression boolean. For testing the circuit we need support use of the datasheet to see what are the codes of the floodgate. First we have a Daniela, the 4 of me entry what I call A. I'm going to place a cable that go the first pin, what is the entrance of the floodgate inverter, and the second pin is the exit. Therefore, there we already have a Daniela, and that I have to take to off. Why I'm going to add it with a B, and as we see here the configuration of a floodgate or the first and second pin they are entrance and the third pin is a exit. So in this second pin is where I will put my B, and as we said that the third pin is the exit of this entrance, therefore guidance use of our expression boolean A the net at B have to go to a floodgate, and why I going to multiply it with a C. That's why he goes to the first pin on the floodgate of me entrance. I will send a cable to the second pin of the floodgate. Up here we have a the net at B and all that by C, and that exit I need up to A, do not the net. So of the exit I were it to the first entrance of the floodgate or, and my entrance A I were it to the second entrance of the floodgate. Exit I were it outside of the circuit and put him a resistor of 220 ohms. And in series with a LED. What he passes, it will be fit the circuit with 5 volts exact. Why we put at of 5 volts, they can arrive to burn the integrate. So we connect positive and negative. And now we see if fulfill the table of truth. When ABC are 0, that's same to 0. Zero, zero, one, same to 1. 0, 1, 0, same to 0. 0, 1, 1, same to 1. 1, 0, 0, same to 1. 1, 0, 1, same to 1. 1, 1, 0, same to 1. And all 1, same to 1.